fellow Ghana fashion mo akwa abasonko ba Atigya TV do and then mo kwani dwumezi enyi patiti wo money ma wagizi na atene campaign bebre na nyema botwetwe nkomo na ndem pocho nya abota na hwe na teisam na ntufo na motwam ho ba ye botwe before motwam on o de wo da adwuma ku bi na wabo me echi do wa medo ya lewa collection mo matai de menhye na links collection amempo we de menhye fefefe manu nyeze na menkasa na obata pa glajo amen sobolo ezibana soto de yindi motwam ho aba ye botwe do mo akaba ba mo kwanyi dwumezizo macho dem dwumezi nkote na oka abrabo mu nsam otufu na ohye wonkwan no mo obi afa na wo mentor etene ye wa wafem atete na ho no so wafem aso wo bodu no we bodu ehun de waye enyim ho wafem a enyim apenisi na atete ya wafem a ende wodu na me yensu ade na mpocho before ma dan me guess na edine wan oye enyipa tete wa atene nka ati de obi pedo as part of a president or mani mu na ati Kofi Akpaloo mpocho zin mu bona anya wo correct ntini ya bade busu ya den ati Kofi Akpaloo na enyim nyipa ban do ya bade ete LPG party bi do record LPG no ya bade and the yebu hu na yehwe ni na me mde nyim but obema ya kunta bi a offer the medin nti ye ma na kwa ba ne atero mpocho mu akwa ba
be jo so many aba
make us daddy prep because you have a partner. Ya take Kofi Akpaloo. A person who nipa kona nipa ban.
Oh, make us there. Me who say me say me canon, but me so ordinary person be me na me kromo anom. Me free voter region.
Okay.
Anyako porta hona me free. Na me mama dey free asen asaman kese e was central region. But Kumasi na ewo me. Kumasi na me ko school nyine ye nyina anti me yere so your friend no Adwoa Nkonkonsa
and I American
me America anti me yere so e free Ashanti region cry friend no Jachi Pram so to na me yere free me na wo ma 6 me ma me ensa wow na me akasa de me accountant by profession and I'm a businessman.
Or an accountant by profession, also a businessman. Now, Mobusa would how did you go about? Me just say, oh, sorry, I'm about who you are today. There were stages from Mama's side or Papa's side. How was life when you were growing up?
In fact, my mama and my father, they know me a middle class people. I just said, no, my mama was a nurse, midwife, and my papa so. No, yeah, Juma glamour stores. Titinona and then I be Mekom.
Okay.
Titinona, a friend of glamour stores. On an area manager or Kumasi. I went to schools that me come baby because when mommy do money into and near transfer na many no eco until me call New Nation International or Kumasi. My call as a mess. Preparatory experimental as a mess experimental mako Bantuma Block B and now mako Kumasi Academy mako Osetutu secondary school kakra mana mako Twanse secondary school kakra
and most making what about them almost 90% is based in Kumasi.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's American okay na you say American for na pocha am into the American for we building. I would want to ask this question. How did you come about your political career? Because as you said, accountant by profession and a businessman. What brought about there all of a sudden a politics?
Oh, Obia was a civil subiano, or Butayentia was a civil. Unamia Fayam with dear Hakwa or Bibi Opaswadi. Now, me abufran me base 6 years. I quite remember now there was so in the Ashanti region, Quabre. Now, me for a Tiabonti Diabro. Ye ntun tracker nti ye ka na make catch me na fofo so once we akra wo ye ntun tra wo agado na wo dream is ka den enten na nye the real you know na so me the dachi nyina me ya aban me be ya aban a me ma buses bebrebe aba Ghana Hanama is a beer could be a Binyam Bass umbre. That was what I was thinking. Though I'm Korana Yedi Agrodia, but yeah, but me in I said, oh, mine on door, Macomaso. I quite remember, say 1979, 81, 83, in this Brennona Rollins by, though I was 9 years, but I said, what my dear, this ODCA, what on sugar, now ODCA. Oh, you know, I was like, I didn't know what my dear now ODCA, there, police phones, soldier phones are water, you bonny don't come me.
Wow.
I be torn for how much you bought them and you are selling. And I was but if you keep on doing this, Ebema, and then my boy, I because more now, yes, I know. Be a team fan in my map. I remember those times, you know, Ope, Kakua, so do your body, my Kakua, Apino soap, key soap, and it's animal in Ano. You have to queue. Oh, yes, you have to queue. And then you queue even bread. You have to queue to get bread. We've gone through a lot in this country. And that time I was 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, up to 13. Within that period, you know, I was like, why should we be going through this? Because of the soldier for no, we be tonadia near chino na. I mean, without so much mana. That was
that freedom will come.
People will be able to have
that freedom
to sell, to do whatever they want to do, and that was my thinking. And you know, it has been with me up to today. And then I'm all me who decided to say will be that one thing. Say we need to be that. No that one thing. Will be young man, also potential.
So
baby, but we nyam we be a. No buying responsibility.
So yes, I know.
Say buying the sell boy and the panel more mine, you know. No munya bibi. Obi ni baby da. Buying. Asudi say buying baby money da. By any Africa Hanamuno, you knew me right. Oh, can no chronogram, but when I come on. And I'm saying I'm 20 Ghana citizens. Oh, did you what? Oh, would you or no one say yes when I'm on TV to years? I say, I buy beer and I said, yes, say, a nipple more money, a comedy dino. I buy now. It's a being near Juma, as a barman is car, I told the needy.
Okay.
So, Obini baby da, as I'm my buyman baby no order. But Hanamuno, oh, sorry, is one hour fighting to so many do obey doing phobia. Until I get them a kumaso. Says, Yamma Domina be now opportunity now. I say to me, solve our problem. No, say, we'll be on your demand. We have to find something for him to do. Or near Dumacrana, the many one man, we have to give him money. Because I saw did you want idea, walk away idea, any class away. Until Nina, your mine or door near or mining cost or me general say, Damakumaso, say, may 2004, and me contested some year
2004. That the way the party me so because my nyɛ dem abɛka nkɔmɔ na yɛ ntimpo yɛ ntwɛn na nesem came ɔyɛ abɔfraba na ɔka ne dɛ ɔpɛdɛ me de me zema man kɔs no ɔman ne da dwen ɔman no yɛ den ɔdɔman dɛ ɔhu dɛ nyɛma kɔ yɛ ɔha hon abɔfraba 9 10 11 to 13 years to 14 years aba adwen no nyɛ aba zan kuti no wes da bi ongi da ko man wo treat one day na meyende na o chire osan no nya no hodo inta on set we man ka do man no hwo say wo do bi wo man na ya za do the right thing don't say that aba no hwo aba nyire inta say na ese me nyina eni ya eni me ya tion ko no do inta for 2014 what happened
2004 no ena minya yi trebi so metimi a contest for MP. I will mention constituency. That was my first time. Me I really myself. Same top of my co school in a contested for prefect
in that kind of position.
And I made
it wasn't part of you.
But that was my first time. And then it came over me. Say I had a dream that I should contest. And I'm contested as an independent candidate. I will mention constituency. Though my team when they about maybe second, at least maybe TNDC candidate, you know, and the MPP won. That's Honorable Dr. Kwame Akpaloo, President Kofo's brother. I gave him a tough time. I gave him a run for his money. And the campaign was tough. And I mean, those times in inexperience in Mantino. But second it would have been a different thing.
I see how the story
is. And no, afternoon, then I went back to Europe to me Kakra with my family. And I'm about 2012. So I'm contested for president.
It's at that period of 2004 to 2012, how was it like? Lucy, and how was the feeling? Did you feel like I couldn't win? Let me give up. I did feel like, okay, because I'm at university, can I wait a minute? How was the feeling like?
Oh, in fact, me contested we na me run a business wokumase, but Oshesa financial service service loans and microfinance. I was the first person to introduce it.
Wow.
And no attack me.
Okay.
Say Nkofo mejo musica, me for musica.
We like so this kind of policy.
Exactly. And there was a run for their deposit. But bank will be anyone wait to survival when there's a run for money because one
Sure.
Ultimately, in Kwan, say, I'm out for music and first kind of so a lot of people took my money, but I'm a cashing a coupon. Say, I'm the only person. Met me. I have Bibisa, Fusika, Bidim, music.
That is a great achievement. Oh, yeah. So this man that has been able to
see back our money. Obiani one man sika one city home. Obiani Obia me trying sika man. Nti omo asabio at that point, I went to Europe, organized myself, got some money, then sent it to them. Till my mom now go do music Capital Radio.
In the second year of Capital Radio, this thing is there.
Yeah.
And for Bianisika, a show Bianisika as a man.
Yeah.
That is a good thing. In fact, a plus into a juma. Monjo Wanko during a for a new Juman. Once for here. When you're Mujizi, into when you hear Juman, into sorry, show wait and show. So that I would want to know this thing. From there, no. Then I'm prompted to post back to Ghana. Okay, so I'll still fight for this because upon now go to Wusika 7 that I believe say at a point if your wife catches they may go because Sika is an
my mom for instance that time my mom out to or London.
Okay.
Now she wasn't happy. So bad time there or now Kofi how Hosa then I say so maybe they know offer the Yakupo person until say made the Yakupo penal mean to me and I remember say 4th November 1989 I had this dream. I mean abronoma fita me and normal bed to allow me to come second cheba ko dying and I took us to me send different way. And truly be good as a trust in God. And ever since I've been trusting in God. When God told me something contest 2004 elections, He told me say men winning but I should contest.
Okay.
So but Nyakopon the only name a China there be. Until 2010 March and or some day so it came 4 consecutive days. That's 10th, 11th, 12th, and 13th of March 2010. And this time the diamond when say my contested election, my winning election.
Wow.
And the election was between me, Alan, and Spielgabra.
Okay.
That was what I saw in the dream.
That was in the dream.
Yeah, in the dream, it's like 2 boxes. That's Alan and Spiel. And I made me a referee and I'm moving. That was what I saw in the dream. And then the next day, I was at the Flaxter House. Now I'm going Professor Mills.
By then he was.
Yeah, he was the president. And then Namakunu or Diane. Then me no say you dying say in one office.
Yeah.
Now I hope what say them more by here. And we so jaw mo kwan. So no mo piero ja me were there more.
Okay.
Until when he was coming back, I'm jina pro nachi. To be a prono and opija me survey the course through. Until
we win.
Till me nisi nyakopon owo bibi papa bi owo no. Until that's what I've been pursuing and I'm pursuing. And 2012, I tried to contest the election, but I was rejected. Okay. And then 2016, I tried and I was disqualified again. And then 2020 was my first time I contested.
It's important. From the years he's calling, another he's mentioning, were rejecting Winjay, one Pemwa, yet he still went on the Nyakupan Academy on anime. Inti, maybe Bambu Abim, Erusia, the year to young Wedri. Say if I send my bar or Besha Kwan, a bit me to an amone per day too. Or a accountant by profession, but in the politics, ye manage more ye pay your home by ye bar, ye bought your door. Mo akaba soko ba mo kwanye dwumezi do ma che do dwumezi a yetufo ye ka abrabo mo nsam yetu ugizi mo azi bereyem na ya che de ababo no won fada kope won fa mpempe de ye bia na oye dwumaku bi na wa abom ho bana na wa abom echi do ende meta mo afefefewe oya lewa ma mo matare da menhye na Lee's collection pocho mo mpaboa da menhye na ndem ho nya fa na mankasa na batampa glajose pocho mo na ezibande yendi na nya homaka yenti mankasa yen fa babon na pocho mo we fi de eboko YouTube akọ subscribe Atigya TV mo kwani dwumezi ende why da yere chen komo no do nti me pacho from that time no uko one rejected again you were like still na metwas how was it like because I made that anxiousness oh no matter what I'll do it and I say it was because of the dream that God gave you at that moment.
Naturally I'm somebody I mean give up easily sir. Okay. Say at this minute me ya ade no onto some me jai. Okay. So me jai bibia na ade no hu sa ade we no and it's a waste of energy na me jai. But say ade me hu sa ade me we especially say me hu no me dying. I'll go all out. Okay. I'll go all out. Me say me win presidency. Na me say about 2024.
Amen. Yeah,
I know so I will win. Because Nakupon only see him. Why any be you know, I'm just waiting for it to materialize.
As you are waiting, what has been your challenges? Because politics again was a dirty game.
Yeah.
If you don't understand, you don't go into politics.
Exactly.
What has been the challenges? Has it been like, oh, okay, in the most I'm a new year cool. Have you gotten any threats? Have you gotten anything whereby you're like, me pere me jena de me waste my album when me pere me politics?
Oh, me huni sa. Honestly, threatening the day no dey me ndwene no kra because idea we be to my be do atem. Okay. Na obi be di matem because of politics. And no mu che say ni makọ no kire na dwene woni tirim. Say na dwene so. Okay. Because oman na ye chichire. Oman na ye odia media. Yenyina ye dia. And nyansa so bakofo nko a eni nyansa. Everybody should yeah. Eti ebia de me tosini wo mu no. Bia no you wa ho den. They also you tosini na so ma ho den. So we blend, we put our heads together and then we move the nation. And this bia asembia ba na me kire madwen na wo didi matema say one thing they way na say because I say utimi team bia and you say bia because politics you could do better ma you say you don't know what you are doing because we have families bia papa ne mama papa no like my family for example me papa NDC okay me mother AMPP oh they say and you know but they are married couple. Unfortunately, my father frame. But they were married couple or muchomo baby or but Obia was there okay. And you know, and you are forced on my me who brothers now Bakuya MPP, Bakuya NDC, BSCPP. That's Obia, Otimi Gasaritina, and you are for a no, it's not. As time goes on, nobody be betting maybe I see. So me, I'm not perturbed nor scared about no. I dare bear me challenge. Say Must start there for
Sure, sure.
it's a new political party. So take time. Now build the structures, you know. Kakra. As I say, Penifo Kraka is a ufiti purpose here. Mujaba. It is all how to build it. And now a cry, but when a baby has no. And son I'll be dreaming. This is a new sound. This is a new sound.
Okay.
I be muja toward the Oma medium. Na kakra, no word develop, no develop. Na afiao, yawa, winning a crank. Exactly. It's a party. Watching. So when you say idea we are stages in life, then that's how party should be. Multi party now, take party now. First year no call election no away. I mean, no childish.
It's even there one can aside one another that shoot in the day. No matter what you know, there order for them processing.
Exactly.
No,
I'm moving. Also, because the first time, 2012, I had a serious problem with my forms, so I learned from it.
Okay.
2016, mine repeated mistakes, but they still had another issue
with that.
So, say I will be a use the same information I'm going to use.
Okay.
One or two people will be, and nobody disqualify me. So 2020, do you think I will
do those mistakes?
So when I was going to 2020, I went with them.
Oh.
Yeah, over 500 people. I said, in case Obi say, yeah,
you just show it.
What I say? Because men strong, I say, I did they do, not the be out here, do. So, that is how life should be. Me, that is me. So because I do na me ya, when never got some prayer. Na muso obi am from so na bia me from so fine. I will learn gradually. Na me sua. Enti me for me, I don't blame people.
Okay.
For me misfortune. Say bia obi na mama me obi na no, I don't believe that. Like abayfo.
Okay.
Because abayfo no na me na me nyamindi. Because baye di bi o. But I don't believe. Say me baye na bedi because my me I don't have that belief because me wadwen my dream chem say wo ba ye ni de say hunhun na we me so me ye physical me so me physical eti wo de wo ye wo hunhun mu de me so me physical na chem say me so da no pa no say me school a say me bia me bukum na me sua de me sua de say me practice
sure
de me sua de say me practice say me sua me say me tell say me kan anu no o kan no one practice I want to make exams.
Okay.
What I say? Because exams be away behind. So, what try past questions?
International, whatever you're doing, you're focused on.
Exactly. Three things. Three things that you need: prayer, hard work, and determination. PhD.
Prayer, hard work, determination. One may me basa ababon erebon. Odi to anamon. Say one. Like now you see the aim and permit. One and attention na. Onya chiwacho nya kwa meka onye debedebe bebe na adwe no one oche ne da azen onye oho no ye nti why nya me basa three key things are ama nawo odi yesua bompay suaze adwe no monye stable bebe peda do tono ho a ma onya chiwacho nya nkofo baka se insem pizza acho but oya me na we na sede de ye be hye ye ho no aka this is what I want for myself. Things has been guiding you. Friends will come to you. Oh, party, I will see they say party. Have you ever felt that friends are rejecting based on this political things, or probably they are seeing something else? I need to cut off these friends from my life.
I'm somebody. I don't have friends.
Okay.
Everybody is my friend. I don't have friends, but everybody is my friend. You understand what I mean?
You don't have friends, but everybody is your friend.
Exactly.
What can I say? One my key line. He doesn't have friends, but everybody is his friend. Yes,
yeah. Some Michelle they are being come what to say, but after that, that's it.
Okay.
No, the mention. Because onama obi enkoso bioma obi be say obi kasim to and so what for be efre says oh Kofi let say the next line chalwati akosinka.
Okay.
Oh yeah me tini ka oh chale sin ho akere ne pa o.
Okay.
all me can't just say, oh, see, oh, oh, she's doing well. When you even speak well of that person, we say, no, the spirit coffee. Because they are always yearning to hear bad, negative
side things.
All they mention. So I shan't that kind of people.
Okay.
So you don't know much about me.
Sure.
What they mention. Because who men cost where we are.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
More or less like you are secretive.
And me must some crowd with him.
Okay.
What I say? Oh dear, so I don't want to know.
Wow.
Oh, and there be
oh dear, when you also say you don't want to know.
Exactly. Maybe the whole question now who they are fine, but me say, me check you. Me name sorty. Me life no.
Me my thing one I say, but my thing is, what they call no what per time couple when they.
Me dey nyame kora. Me dey no pa obetu me hu, but me dey na nyame.
Okay.
Me that's my
as
life.
Simple as that.
Me I'm a simple person. Meet me at that. We do bus stop and meet me at that. But be a meet me at that because we know Biaka, we know Brian. And you was some no, if you have men, I be a be a dream there, but I made a need time of the coach no be out. Then I make just say what bro soon say. I need to help people.
Okay.
So say if I can help you to make it, I should do it to help you. But I shouldn't do anything to destroy you. Okay. That is not me. That's not mine.
Your nature. Own is to help, not to destroy.
No, to help people. I always shun negative people. Ubia ububu abam near that day. Don't come near. So they wait to me. No, I don't need that. I don't need any negative energy. Maybe they say we can do it.
Oh, so then bad energy cry.
No. Maybe some to cry.
Okay.
Say Ubia can say, "Oh, I do to me." And I say, "No. Oh yes, I cry. No, me anymore."
Okay.
That's me. You even motivate me to
do it more
go
and more.
A little bit further. So, that's what I know, and that's what I do.
It's more can say one say as an area on isn't the boa on pero on say he helps but not destroys. Inti say eri obi na adwuma titiu eri obi na adwuma man ka dey onya woza they are doing it anyhow. Dwene ho do ochine bi obi so be adwuma da mo int ende ada oh fa akoma papa ye eza adwumbon ze ya obobo abo eze papa ze ya obobo abo ena ya de menka do obi ala hwe we ha eboa obi le hwe enyim mo ochine bi obopo eza mo e bi hu de ne wa ha de ochina obi boss oh posho mba wadwum hu nyipa so se para mo boan based on me attitude subana da na da na nyama eye wo hon we pion ze okọ ya twetwe nkomo ye di nkomo ye ka brabo mu nsem oyo mu kwan dwumezi ye hwe ye ho aba ye ba ye botie do mo ka ba so ko ba mu kwan dwumezi do ma atwa dem dwumezi ye ka brabo mu nsem enwa ye tufu ye tuwugizim ye cheche ababo na nyodo me hu de Samaria ada oda me yeniye marichia oda meten because payin bi a mo hwe no o mani mu ana payin bi atenenka afo no role model or mentor look up to the person but enyi mo how na tete a wa afem da mo nkofo enyi won zinkomo na wa nye na akasa ya atemorko mo we frɛ adwumaku bi wa bom ho ba na nda mebodu ha dey oyalewa na mo matar da menhye na links collection mo pobo fefefe de menhye na batampa glages wa me na ziban de yindi na nya mo kana ma no why cut the alcohol it's in your casa. When we refer to YouTube, I can subscribe. Yeah, Atigya TV. Na ko Facebook, Instagram, na Twitter. Yeah, Atigya TV. Ghana, mo pocho. To America, na ko shomoro kodo. Yeah, ti onko monodo. That year kone ka assembly now say you should be determined. You don't destroy, you help. Have you ever helped somebody? But when I catch you say, what they pay for political power? Mawakas, oh, then let me stop this help.
Honestly, me na encounter sa any bit, but me was school, secondary school. Okay. I know school is a because na me for Bushaba. So that time na me who say club be 2002. Omo every JHS. Na omo timi nya access to SHS because na SHS no limited. So I realized I just mean baby That's my contribution to society. So I built that school not because I wanted money. But because I thought that it could also help. Me chrome for not every year piano. Me ma me chrome for na me ma money for 10 scholarship.
Oh.
No about school. Free or they don't pay anything. So that's been my contribution. I've helped so many people, especially in Europe.
Okay.
Say be free Ghana and Waba. When you been there, when you Juma.
Yeah,
I would just and then me whole crime and
okay.
Then the next day, me am a criti and I am out. Now the name now so they are paid now.
Wow.
I've helped so many people and so may help with the permanent panel. Though I don't expect anything from the person.
Okay, yeah, doing it because you feel like doing it.
Yeah, no, it's an obligation on me to help people. And I don't expect anything in return from the person. I don't care about what happens after.
Okay, now let's look at it from this direction. Adwoa Obi, but then it's a ban, no responsibility the oboboa on man and on mamba and on manipa. Now, mo de obi we bolego hade, wako choko baby. Obi ka de Papa ya kare ti me say bibia anyhow. Mpere me quote from most people pardon or if I know say ya one kind that's if misquoted something. Does it mean there obi atimu to who baby and obi atimu bibia ke Canada bibi dem
aso man papa no eso so Ghana ene ye odia Ghana na media ye wo so odia boye ni ya eboa okay hwe environment wa wote na wo so to ball agu because obi e hu to ball agu no ma there's something wrong with you
okay
because sabio ho ye fia wo che obi
sure
instead the thing is baby wa wote ho ye fia I don't get it so the merchant eso wo du ho ni enka sabia sa aban no ani ye nyina na ye aban no but just that we selected some few people be near to lead us but we are all owners of this country
sure
nti baby awo no make the place look neat so you dey neat me so you dey neat na Ghana ye neat so the merchant ya na fese bia be hwa abrochire na baby ho no mo ye kama na ye be hwa before there enu ya dan but
nti mo pocho
yes anya ko boy o na na me wan boy say ye hu ye but we have made our mind not to move away from where we are to another level
okay
so because ade ba ko amede beja ni say sika eye pa eso obi anya bi but sika ni ultimate
okay
when you be a but not ultimate because no matter what when you sika wo wi asinyina you die
sure
and when you die you are going with nothing nti adia obetimi dia ko and they say the oye mankind
okay
but ye dia bo nipa na nipa ediyi nti wo hwe mpanifo mo ba wi so banya sika nyina obia ba so wa pick bibi no aye wo hwe mpanifo bi say Standard Oil owner
okay
otimi ediscowura malaria research obi say Bill Gates sika wonya o de wura bibim e de boa e bibrem na ade so one kasa sika wonya at least in paka kra mo won chen what are you doing to help them
o sika kaka na enyan I know what ben on what are you doing to help them Rebecca can some be na pod and some be okay ya mem miss coating say mo o sheda chem ye ma ete won ete ya anka de o se ma epe bia ete me ifi onya az papa nti we tu yemfo e your man ba me your man ba ye nyina ye ne ya obokọ exam so man bo tu mpo na ogina amna ye ndo ogina panyin na wo no ono ye yi nde onye ye panyin oboboy na so amna ye ne ya obokọ exam na ebi on so sende sere ya da manye na achwacho sewa azina ye na nyimde bia eye na bibia keke inye sika mpocho bua fofor sika inye bia oye enso ose but dan bat oban sampe tuechi oye papa oye bon oche bat no do inye bia bua fofor mama ni na anya wenum mama ni na anya obody man ka de merba no nyi hobi muruko school no nyi hobi mo pocho ende yenye sika yembo afofora mama onye de me ka de se hu adekwa mutimi pocho yenye bia yembo for ye chon komodo kono wide me pacho school is saying na we so far
school mercy oh they just one pen me mate okay me school be
okay but even with that what they boa like you said
oh yeah is it class school in media beam a teacher for no na me dey acha so they are managing it yeah
Alboa wa no school mokobi obi wo hokra se onye school mponko but mo wesin mo kwame the fees mo to very less yeah John Commando what will you say that it's something unique about you at 2024 about year hwene for so more
honestly ni ya say obeba nyame aka akoma na obo ho mpae na obusa say erade asetena me wo mu me pe sesa nti erade boa me ne ma me obi a me to abana obebo ma san sesa no eti me abam ni say obo sampae na san akoto aba nyame mo to ba ma me because I know say I can transform Ghana I can turn Ghana around because akra bia wo Ghana bia bo so ebitua ne ka
okay
because me wo mo wa bo chebe my 6 3 boys 3 girls sankura ni nyina no omusu so ni nyina bosum bia etua mo ka e ma mo child benefit okay emre bi eduria na mere wonya adwuma mesu na meni ho wonya adwuma na mesu meni ho na me support no government was also paying her eti abuchi wonya adwuma etua ka aha eti mesu me se me de san hye no ye de e ba ha abuchi ameko ye ni nyina na de ameko sua ye nyina ne se ai den na abrofo no adi nkan na ye ya kachi de be no mo ye da sonko a ama omo sa ne man na masua okay me say nyakopon ade no se Ghana ye de Ghana shemen sa I can promise you say mama Ghana anye sa abuchi mama na ben abuchi because akola bia so betua ne ka wonya adwuma so a ebetua ka eno ene di sika no wura oman nim ama sika bakuru ma wo say so wa hwe mprepi no ye kroma a mo kasa ye na ho kira bo ye nto ade ye na ho kira na okudwa so hu no hwe yes because so utua omomo nya adwuma ka utua mofra ka ebre ni abre nyina no sika bakuru nti se woton ade a mafo tomato bi nti so we san hye na be masika aflo na omo adwadifo dwadi akoso na eno zo adwuma ye den aba o man
nti I want to ask this final question before I give you your camera to talk say more opportunity na your MPs now no more adwuma no how will you also control them because I believe so what their vision or they bear out what if they're not supportive what if so they ba and in there the aba over delay and jindi there I know you probably can you adwuma here.
The problem is not with the MPs or the ministers. The problem is with the civil servants. Okay. Omo wo aban adwuma mu a omo te ono mu no. Okay. Omo dey problem. Ghana how ni nyina ho na ho. Nti obe se wo ya e so man se sampa ho. So obi ya adwuma you have to act professionally. Okay. You actually say obi dey bibi without table so for more than 1 hour or 30 minutes or 2 hours or 3 days or 5 days or whatever because you want to collect money from the person.
Okay.
One chase come sometimes they will not tell you say one chase go but nyem obey no wa be no so one ska wonye sa ensem hunu nyina must stop and obi ya dia ese punish no.
Okay.
Sa na me wo fa na me nana na say na obepacho no me aba no nya adwuma. Wow. So I have told you everybody is my friend but I don't have a friend. And you know say asem no
we deal with this wasn't prepared.
Exactly. Oh yeah eyimu a eno na bia the criticize because who nia na so down for yeah what me anya hwe. Okay. Na how come say bia obi fufuro ye dia obetima NBB. And that's how it's supposed to be. Make mum there me president time name am sesa.
Mo bom pe de ba benim na enwe hu ma aso akan e de ni he de won e de dance menwe hu aso ate ye bon pa de Nyankopon o man enkwa na hozen na ye hu won ne pa owo mu pa de bo omanen. Your final words to youth no person back into politics. I believe so. Be person into politics, schools, or gina for position be or way. What would you tell them?
Oh, it's I did a so short team. Say, and French white team is all politics, Pisca.
Okay.
So what do I do? What dream you know? And so me go politics, me go for years, Kenya, and go for there. You'll be disappointed.
But that's the norm in Ghana.
That is why they are stealing.
Okay.
Because we don't go to politics sell cockpisca. We go to politics to serve. Just say what the show you say, me cock will be their poor mind. I'm a mind the so what you mention us. Oh. You have the passion, the drive. How they say, I didn't cost what they need now open. Say, oh, person we in now. Okay. I say business will be a business crowd. One gasa business now will be. So both Italian and say business, say be a business guy there. You are joking.
Okay.
You go into business to serve. You go into business to add value to people's life. So they mention also one people's problem. Now, sikane India
other way better.
And only just bonus. So they mention so a business then they tell you business. Oh yeah, pabuaton. Say be in pabuaton. It's a Baba now.
What solve the problem, Bill baby?
Exactly. It's a Babana way. What the Akuma Pay and Pabuana now years and Pabuana may ye high quality, so there be any panatom Pabuana who value for money.
Okay.
Then people who do what you call repeat business. They will buy today, they will buy tomorrow. They buy exactly, and then you make money. But what you need and say, oh, make way, no, I BB shoddy. Yeah. I'm ranting about the problem. And I say we put money first before anything. That is why we are not going anywhere.
Oh, in Portugal, our politics. Be it a female, be it a male. Mama seconds when you can. Mabutai na pede ye deserve on money. Unzin can win you. Now other opportunities there. Obeba, please your final words before we go. I believe 2024 you are still aspiring to be the president. So your final words for all of us.
So nyame ya dom na ye to about 2024. Say the team ya be hu me din e wo so ballot paper no so be hu me fo nyini. Me din ane Kofi Akpaloo na me party a me gina o manam e Liberal Party of Ghana LPG. E duru ho no ya senso de no e computer. Wo no computer kura TV. To abanama ye. Na to abanama ya ekwa bia so ebe manyame anam yeso na de ye niema ebe boa ama umma ene wonananom obia enya so mfaso
enti pache so obi pese ohwehwe o se bia wo he anasese a he fa na ibetimi enya
o me akasa de me wo kokomremle ho na ye party no ye national headquarters wo enti ye wo Royal Castle Road and I say Top FM in Portamonoma Tambia Monday to Friday your Hanum your other regional offices no there Okokumasia your Wasafi Market your Tamale Oko Boga Road ADB side Honum na your office or so and na Kosunyana estate your office or Cape Coast your St. Augustine's in Portamonoma na enti baby a obi person ohwe Kofodia Adwoa station everywhere you find us.
Everywhere you find us. Me hear that nka final words but can we sem kem na chem wo logo na wo symbol for LPG as a computer. Yeah. Why computer?
Time I take party no. The na you who say Ghana ya catch pa technology. Okay. Tie the computer original ma technology. Say we want to put people's life first through technology. Nti ye moto no. Say putting people's life first through technology. Oh. Ghana ebeko enuma without technology we won't go anywhere. Technology na betimi aboa ama ya Greek akọ enimu. Okay. Technology na bebo ama ye trade akọ enimu. Technology na bebo ama ye security akọ enimu. Technology na betimi ama bibia aide akọ enimu. Nti ye shishi ye botaye ne say sinyame adom a Meka mrantie ne mabawa no. Ghana bebre so munya adwuma ye. But instead of setting up NAPCO.
Okay.
Yes, so the Ayibaba say ICT training. Ye training kwala.
Okay.
Say the bear you prepare them to pick jobs anywhere in the world.
They can do it.
Because Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Denmark, they need people with ICT background. Ghana for so why don't we invest in them, train them, equip them, such that they can pick jobs in those places? Yeah, and now your both ties when say Akola from class 1, and it's a primary school, BBC University, will be a computing, programming, computer programming and coding as compulsory subjects. It's a when we computer programming and coding, the sky is your limit.
The sky is your limit. Computer programming as a watch a buta inter ni logo or computer. Na ama now or na say the ebusuya. What can sempi? What can you use? I don't was actually ama now. It's up to us to decide. Obi nka to my A another B because enyim papa na enyim bon. Our bonne abo one me wodo nyemrika onye ntamodo oyen kakra. Mo wadwen insipi wo mari bia ho. Man ka de na aze na ika de na ika de bi osmpoche da bi. Ohia nda adwen obesipi. Enye obi ye adwuma hwenyi pakoni ye na ochine bi enyim obeya mo. Man ka da ye adwuma no bi anhwo obi hwe wate. Ame menyi hobi nyankopon orehwo. Obi a oben obi a orehwo ntai yaza fa kuma pa itimofan fa adwuma na at the end of the day onfo konimzi from be nyina opocho macho da ejuma kubi na obomo ba na ndem dwede oy alewa na o matter da mention na obatampa glajoze o meziban da na me crew na yendi na yenya homaka pocho ko Facebook na Instagram ko hwe alewa marketplace na party bi na orden fefefe obi delivers amo mpobo so links collection Facebook Instagram wo glajoze so Facebook na Instagram obo ho pampe mo we freedom pocho botomeka ondo hiam ebo ko YouTube ako subscribe Atigya TV na ko Facebook Instagram na Twitter Atigya TV Ghana fantampado America won hardo fodo of mom mpocho ama mezi dwumadi hu chan mezi ni Adwoa Nkonkonsa na menye yem papa Kofi Akpaloo na menye ni interview that pende na wotwe e boso so yehia oda wana ase